there, Sunny team, it's me, Britt. I am here to help you get your mini stepper workout in. We're gonna use the mini stepper. We're also gonna hit some squats, some planks. We're gonna activate those muscles and get started. All right, everybody, let's get started. We have 15 minutes here. We're gonna get that heart rate up and we're gonna get those muscles firing. So we're gonna start out getting onto our mini stepper. So put your foot on, get yourself situated. Make sure your feet feel good. And we're just gonna start 1 minute warm-up pace here, okay? When we're here, we're pushing down through the heel and just very slowly getting started, okay? We're not pushing ourselves. We're just getting ourselves set. Make sure you have your thing cleared so you can check your time, check your steps here. Moving, we're just gonna move the arms. We don't have the bands on for this one today because we're gonna be getting on and off. We don't wanna trip over anything. Good, nice, even pace here. Whenever you're up on your mini stepper, you want that core engaged. And if you're not quite sure what that means, it means you wanna pull the belly button in and think about it coming up under the ribs. Squeeze through here. Good, keep moving. All right, in this next minute, I want you to sink down into a little bit of a squat, core engaged. And we're gonna pick up that pace, okay? So notice the pickup of the pace here, starting to crank it out. And this is gonna be the pace we do in our next set for the intervals. We're gonna be doing a 40-second squat. We're gonna take a little rest, and then we're gonna do our quick pace on the mini stepper, okay? Another 30 seconds here. When you're getting on and off of your mini stepper, make sure that you have the balance to step down. If not, just have a chair handy to grab something to help you get on and off. Moving through it here. Another 10. In 3, 2, 1, all the way down. Take your step off. All right, line those feet up with the hips. Engage that core, hands up in front for squat. Okay, nice and even pace, keep moving here. We wanna sink those hips back. Press through the heels, okay? Make sure we're not coming forward. All the way down. Good, nice, even tempo. Less than 10. And 2, 1, good. Shake it out. You're gonna get yourself over here. And for our rest, 20-second rest, go back to that warm-up pace. Good, just moving here. All right, here we go. Pick it up. Push down through those heels. Squeeze the core. Moving through it here. When you're doing that step down, you're pushing down into that heel. When you come up, it's okay if the heel lifts. Just when you're pushing down, push through the heel. You got this, another 10. In 3, 2, 1, good. For this rest, you're gonna hop off. Just shake it out, march in place a little bit. Another 10, we're gonna go right into those squats. Get yourself ready. In 3, 2, 1, here we go. Squat it down. When we're doing our squats, we wanna make sure those knees aren't coming super far forward. That's why we're pushing into the heels. Also, we wanna keep the knees lined up with where the ankles are, right? You got this. Another 10. In 3, 2, 1. Good. Shake it out. We're gonna go back to our rest with our slow pace on the mini stepper. Breathing here. Getting ready to pick it up in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Picking up that pace. Trying to get that heart rate up. Keep moving. You got this. Another 10. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Full rest here. Little steps. If you need to grab a sip of water, grab your sip of water. Get ready. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Keep pumping these out. You want to imagine you're sitting back into a chair. Slight hover, pressing up. You're halfway through this time here. Last 10. In 3, 2, 1 more. Good job. All right, shake it out. Nice, easy pace here for this 20 seconds. In 5, 4, we're gonna pick it up. 3, 2, let's go. Push into that heel. You got this. I'm proud of you for getting out this mini stepper, getting its use in a workout. You got this. Halfway through this one. Last 10. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Amazing. Good job. Okay. For this next circuit, we are going to be doing high plank. Okay. We're also going to throw in a low plank. Okay. So we're here. If you need to, if that's not quite your level, go up to a couch, an elevated surface, and do a modified plank there. Okay. All right. Here we go. Up on toes. Everybody up. When we're here, we have hands under elbows, under shoulders, core tight, squeeze the glutes, push into those toes. We want the hips down. We don't want to be up here. We want everything lined up. Halfway. Breathe into it. 10 more seconds. In 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop that knee down. Shake those hands out. Hop it on your mini stepper. Active rest. Good. Moving through this here. Okay. Going to pick up our pace again. Here we go. Pick up that pace. Remember, we go into that slight squat. Hips back. Core engaged. Push into that heel when you step down. Good. Halfway through this here. Another 10. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Step down. You're gonna breathe here. For this middle one, we're gonna go down to forearms. If that does not feel like your level, come back up. Or if you're doing modified on a couch or bench, that's perfect. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Go ahead and get on down there. When we're here, we are over those elbows, not pushing back. Body weight over the elbows, core engaged, squeeze the glutes. Good. If you feel like you're shaking and you can't do it and you're gonna drop and you're gonna quit, just set the knees down, but keep the body in this position, okay? We don't wanna send those hips up, it takes it out of the core. You got this, last 10. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. All right, active rest. Here we go. Easy pace here. Good, you got this. We're gonna pick it up. Remember, we're gonna hinge back. In 3, 2, 1, hinge back. Quick pace. Pick it up. Moving through this here. If you have one of these, when do you use it most? Do you use it when you're home watching TV? When you are at your desk? When are you getting your most use of this? And when you're doing that, are you hanging out here? Or can you add in some of these sprints? Pick it up a little bit. Almost there. Two, 1, good. Step down, full rest, okay? We're gonna go back in, high plank, up on hands. Take your time getting there, catch your breath. Good, fingertips forward. Sometimes I see a lot of this. If you have wrist pain, it's always an option to come up to fists as long as we're nice and stable. Go ahead and get there. Everybody up and squeeze. Breathe into this here. If we feel like we need to modify, send the knees directly down, but don't lift the hips, right? It's just a straight down tap. We have 10 seconds here. In 3, 2, 1, tap it down. All right. Go ahead and step on up. Get yourself set. Active rest here. Pumping it out. Okay. One more time with that picked up pace. Hinge back, squeeze the core, and pick it up. Good, keep moving. Pumping those arms, getting that full body movement. You got this. In 3, 2, 1, slow it down. Good, how are we feeling? Not too bad, right? Heart rate up a little bit of a workout through the legs with the squats, core engaged with those planks. We're feeling good, got our heart rate up here. All right, last minute, going at this pace here. We're gonna hold arms out to the side, little arm circles going forward. Good. Nice, small little circles. You can flex those hands up. You're washing a window on either side. In 3, 2, 1, switch it back. Good. Moving those arms, trying to keep them up. If they're really burning on you, you can drop them down. Almost there, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, keep it there, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, you did it. You made it all the way through your 15-minute mini stepper workout. You got on, you got back off, you did it. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel. We have a bunch more content over on the Sunny Fit app, but be sure to like and follow us here.
If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the Sunny Fit app. There you'll find more classes from me. I teach kettlebell strength, low impact cardio, and age well classes, plus many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the Sunny Fit app yet, click the link in the description below, and I can't wait to see you there.